Why do babies need tummy time? Why do most babies hate tummy time? What are the things you can do to make tummy time more fun? How often and how long should you do it? What are the milestones achieved every month to know if the baby is meeting the goal for tummy time? All these questions answered very shortly, so keep on watching. Welcome to Mother Baby Central, your resource for transformational information about pregnancy, newborn care, and baby's first year of life. Let's go through these nagging questions. Right now, there are two reasons why babies need tummy time. Number one, it strengthens their head, neck, and back muscles needed for proper development of motor skills later, like crawling, rolling over, sitting, and walking. And number two, it helps prevent positional plagiocephaly or flat spots on the head and torticollis, stiffening of the neck where the head favors one position when lying in bed. Tummy time is the first form of exercise for the little ones, and it is a vital activity to do so as soon as possible. If the baby doesn't start using the muscles necessary to help them develop important motor skills, they will be delayed in their development. So, just like for us adults, if we don't exercise to build a specific muscle group, then we will not be able to strengthen it. Like if you want a stronger core, we need to do, let's say, planks. Initially, we cannot get on a plank position for even 30 seconds, but if we do it every day, then we will achieve a stronger core and be able to hold a plank position longer than we used to. Now, how about the positional plagiocephaly and torticollis? As recommended, the baby should always sleep on their back, right? If they are constantly left on the crib, the end result will be a flat head or stiffening of the neck. If you don't take the time to take the baby out from the crib and cuddle with your baby, this will happen. Babies should not be in the crib all the time anyway. There should be a time to interact, hold the baby, and bond while cuddling to promote physical, emotional, and mental growth. When to start tummy time? As soon as you get home from the hospital, the earlier the better. If you start the earliest that you can, the baby will get used to it and will not fuss so much as compared to when you start later. I mean, if you start later because you have not heard of what a tummy time is before, it's not too late. You know, the ideal time to put babies on their tummy is when they are alert, awake, and happy during the day. Why not at night? Because nighttime is for sleeping and they should be on their back for sleeping. Initially, do it for a minute or two every day. Start with tummy time sessions, maybe like 2 to 3 times a day, and increase the frequency every day. Do it after waking up from a nap and after a diaper change. Babies are more refreshed and have more energy after a nap, so do it at this time. Why do most babies hate tummy time? That's a very good question. Because it is difficult to do so, especially when they are just starting. You see, the baby's head is heavy compared to the rest of their body. It's a difficult task to lift their head up. The same analogy again with adults. Don't we hate it when we are just starting to exercise? I know I did. It was difficult. It felt torture. You have to use muscles you've never used before. That is exactly how the babies feel, so understandably, babies hate doing it. So, to encourage more tummy time, what are the things you can do, moms and dads, to make it more fun? Before I answer that, please click the like and share button. Share this video with your friends who you know will benefit from this information. All right, let's go back. There are different ways or places you can do tummy time. On the floor, on the bed, on your lap, in your arms, and on your chest. Whatever place you want to do tummy time with your baby, the concept is the same. Make it exciting, make it engaging, make it highly stimulating, and make it interesting. When you place your baby on the floor or on the bed, get on your tummy as well and face your baby on an eye level. Babies love looking at faces, especially yours. You can talk, tell stories, sing, play a game, make some sounds, or whatever you think will entertain your baby. You can also put a mirror in front of the baby's face so that he can see his own reflection. You can put baby's toys with high contrast colors or books. They also get attracted to toys that make sounds and toys that moves. I actually saw a tummy time mat with water inside. I feel like this will work because it is softer than being placed directly on the floor. It also helps if you put like a rolled towel or baby blanket on the chest area to kind of prop the chest up a little bit and helps with, pulling the head up. Tummy time on your chest or like tummy. Parents, you should be in a semi-upright position when doing this. Again, it gives the baby some traction to lift the head because the rest of the baby's body is lower than the head. It is easier for them and they're more likely to stay in that position longer. And who doesn't want to cuddle with mom and dad? Of course, do the same tactics you do when doing tummy time on the floor, like talking, singing, playing games, and all of that fun stuff. Tummy time on your lap. I love this position because you can also do a baby massage as a reward if the baby stays longer on his tummy. To help the baby out, you can elevate one of your legs, whether the baby's head part is, to also make it easier for the baby to lift the head up. So let's talk about the monthly timeline of what we want to achieve and why we are doing a tummy time. So on week 1, the baby will barely lift the chin up. That's okay. Do a minute or less and stop when the baby gets fussy. Do it like 2 to 3 times a day for the first week and then increase the frequency after that. Month 1, baby will barely lift the head but can turn the head from side to side. Always do it supervised and get on your tummy as well so baby can look at your face. Month 2, baby can sustain a tummy time for at least a minute without crying, and so do it more often on the floor. On the floor, it's actually a little bit more difficult. Month number 3, baby can lift the head without tilting to the side using the arms. By this time, the baby should be able to do tummy time for an hour per day, but you have to divide it in increments, of course. Month 4, baby can lift the head and the chest a little bit off the floor using the forearms. Month 5, baby's able to reach, do a push-up and reach for toys. And then month 6, baby can turn from back to tummy and vice versa. Baby can turn around and is more mobile while on his tummy. So there you go, tummy time facts. I hope you enjoyed today's video and don't forget to subscribe. Be well everyone, and as always, happy watching!